You're at Community Florist. I'm Shelli. I'm the owner here. So you're looking at mylar balloons, plush animals, chocolates. We have cookies from the local bakery down the street. Of course, definitely lots of red roses. There are petals everywhere. The shop is a mess, and it will be that way until after Valentine's Day.
I have 1, 2, 3.
We're a family-owned business, so my husband is here, my daughter is here, my son-in-law is here. We usually go out and eat afterwards, but that's about it. Not a lot of Valentine's Day celebration. We celebrate in a couple more weeks. We kind of wean out the red roses until Mother's Day.
That was Shelli Walker finishing up the final Valentine's bouquets at her flower shop. If you have suggestions or hear things that make Phoenix Phoenix or just want to send some of those roses our way, send us a note or flowers, the show at kjzz.org.